Meaning of front bench.
Front bench.
Front bench.
Front bench.
Front bench. Front bench is a term used in politics to refer to the senior members of a political party who sit on the front row of seats in the parliament or legislative assembly. These individuals are typically the party leader and key cabinet ministers and shadow ministers. They are responsible for leading debates, proposing legislation, and critiquing the actions of the government. Sitting on the front bench is seen as a mark of prestige and power in the parliamentary system, as it provides an influential platform to shape policy and hold the executive to account.